Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're holding HNT in your Helium wallet and want to move it over to Crypto.com for better management or trading opportunities, you're in the right place. This full guide for 2025 will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Helium wallet with your HNT tokens, a Crypto.com account, and some basic knowledge of crypto transfers. Double-check that your accounts are secure and you've enabled two-factor authentication to protect your assets. Step 1. Open your Helium Wallet app or website and log in. Navigate to your HNT balance. That's where you'll initiate the transfer. Look for the Send or Transfer option, usually found in the main menu. Step 2. In Crypto.com, go to your wallet section and select the spot where you want to receive HNT. Copy your Crypto.com wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful to get it right. Pro tip. Always verify the address to avoid sending funds to the wrong place, which could mean permanent loss. Step 3. Back in Helium Wallet, paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of HNT you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Helium might charge a small network fee, so keep that in mind for your total. Step 4. Hit Confirm to send the transfer. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Make sure everything looks good before proceeding. Once sent, the transaction will take a few minutes to a few hours to process, depending on network congestion. Step 5. Head over to Crypto.com and check your wallet to confirm the HNT has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it some time and double-check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Solana's, since HNT is on that network. There you have it. You're all set. Remember, crypto transfers can be irreversible, so always stay cautious. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.